How to Spotify Premium on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have downloaded and installed the Spotify application on your device, and if you have already installed it, make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Spotify application. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of the Spotify application after logging in. Now you can see the option of premium at the bottom right corner of the screen, so just tap on premium and you can see different options and different plans available over here. You can have individual plan, a student plan, a duo plan and a family plan. Now for example, if I'm going for individual plan, here is the premium account and you'll be able to choose how to pay from Spotify or from Google Play, or you can continue with the Spotify. Now to get the premium, what you have to do is just provide your payment details either from PayPal or credit or debit card, and you'll be able to use the premium services on Spotify. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.